My name is Minmay Chakraborty. I am working as a electronics vocational trainer at Chowrangi High School. My training provider name is Orion Edutech Private Limited. Today's topic is servicing and repairing parts of mixer, and next topic is servicing the speed control switch. First, we will discuss about servicing and repairing parts of mixer. Repairing of mixer includes servicing or repairing speed controls, servicing or repairing gears, servicing or repairing motor. The following sections will show the way this service can be performed. Next topic is servicing the speed control switch. A switch is a simple component. It is used to stop or start the operation of any motor. A speed control switch commonly has 3 stages. These stages define speed of motor. Rotating knob is used to select low, medium or high speed. The speed is controlled by providing varying current to the motor of the mixer. Mixer speed is controlled by varying the current to the motor. Smaller hand mixer use a speed switch that includes a number of electrical contacts, each increasing current to the motor. Larger unit use a variable resistor to control current. Continuity testers are useful for checking the operation of either type of speed control switch. In some cases, contacts can be cleared to improve function. However, in many cases, problems caused by speed controls can only be solved by replacing the controller. If mixer does not operate, first check plug and cord whether they are working properly. Only then test the switch. Test and replace a switch. We need some screwdriver set and a rotary switch. So we follow the following steps for this placement of rotary switch. So first step is carefully remove the housing around the switch to expose the back side of the switch. Second stage is check the terminals on the switch to ensure that the wires from the appliance are fully attached to the switch. Third stage is mark the terminal wires for position and disconnect them. And the last stage is use a continuity tester or multi-tester to determine if the switch is faulty. If it is, replace it and reconnect the terminal wires as shown in figure. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.